Alright, we're going to do a little tool test. These nuts are set at 60 pounds. I just set them on there with my snap-on torque wrench. We're at 60 pounds right here. We're going to try out the Harbor Freight Earthquake XT tool right here. It's a 12 volt lithium ion tool. I'm just going to see if it'll break it off here. It claims it's rated at 60 pounds. We're just going to try it real quick right here. Nope. So that is going tight with it. We're going to go loose. No luck. Alright, let's just loosen it off. So we're doing the manual loosen, which that's not a big deal. That's kind of cool that you can just hurry and loosen it and then use the power. Now let's see how tight we go here. Okay, that's max. Okay, let's see where we're set with the torque wrench here. So we max torqued those nuts on there. And I'm going to set this, I'm going to back it off to 40 pounds right here. Okay, we're set on 40. We're just going to see if we're at, no, we're not at 40 pounds. Okay, there's 40 pounds right there. Same thing. So we had about 35 pounds on the torque for the Harbor Freight tool. About 35 pounds is what I'm guessing. There's 60. There's 60. 60. 60. 60.